The magic of water. In this lesson, need for water, sources of water, keeping water clean, using water carefully, forms of water, water cycle. Let us know more about water and why we cannot live without it. Need for water. All living things, humans, animals and plants need water to live. Life cannot exist without water. We need water for most things we do. It is used in homes, schools, factories, offices and hospitals. At home, we need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and other things. Uses of water. Sources of water. There are many sources of water. Mountains, rain, river, well, hand pump, tap. The main source of water is rain. When it rains, water fills up ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. Some rainwater goes into the soil. This underground water is taken out through wells, hand pumps and electric pumps. The mountain peaks are covered with snow. In summer, the snow melts and flows into rivers and lakes. In our homes, we get water from taps. We should not drink water from tanks, rivers, ponds or lakes as it may not be clean. Drinking this water can make us sick as this water is dirty and contains harmful germs. Keeping water clean. Look at the picture shown here. Can you tell why the water in this river is not good for drinking, bathing or cooking? We must not wash our clothes or bath our animals in ponds, lakes and rivers. Using water carefully. We must not let wastewater from our homes, factories and other places flow into ponds, lakes or rivers. Using water carefully. We must save water as it is very precious. We should not make it dirty. We should turn off the taps when not in use. We should collect rainwater as it is the best way to save water. We can fill buckets and drums with rainwater. It can be used for washing and watering plants. Drinking water should be stored in clean, covered containers. Boiled water is safe for drinking. Water filters also give us clean water by removing dirt and germs. Forms of water. We know that water is a liquid. When water is boiled in a kettle, we see a white, smoke-like thing coming out from the spout of the kettle. It is water vapor or steam. It is the gaseous form of water. If you hold a plate in front of the spout, tiny drops of water will be seen on the plate. This is because when water vapor cools down, it changes into water. This happens because the plate is colder than the steam. When an ice tray is filled with water and kept in the freezer for some time, we see that water has changed into ice. Ice is the solid form of water. Snow and hail are also solid forms of water. If we keep the ice in the room, it will change back to water. Snow also melts in summers on high mountains to form water which flows into rivers. The water cycle, from earth to sky and back. Water changes its form in nature too. This makes the water cycle. The sun heats the water in rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans. This causes water to change into water vapor which rises above in the air. On reaching up in the sky, it cools down and turns into tiny drops of water. These drops of water join together to make clouds. When clouds get heavy, they fall on the ground as rain or snow. Rainwater goes back into lakes, ponds, rivers and oceans. Some of it is stored under the ground. It is again heated by the sun. Thus, the water cycle is repeated.